Hello guys, what is going on? techroomuk here. So for today's video we have yet another keyboard from YUNZII. This is the AL98 aluminum mechanical keyboard with a 98% layout. It's got most of the keys right there. It's on white. Obviously we have some gray and black accents, which I find really cool. This is the box. We have a nice slogan right here saying where art meets next level typing. If we have a look on the box, on the back we just have some manufacturer's information. We just have another black and white picture of the keyboard. If we slide this out, just 1 second, kind of have to do it with one hand. There we go. So we have more manufacturer's information. We have some regulatory information, and it says it doesn't support PD fast charging, so just charge it with a regular charger and a regular cable. It should do the work. So yeah, let's go ahead and open the box. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside, and after that we're gonna set it up so you guys can see for yourselves how it would look next to your setup. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. So as always, let's start with the small stuff first. So we have some quick setup guide in different languages, English, Chinese. I think this is Japanese or Korean. So main languages right here. If you need more, you can always scan these QR codes for the official website, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. We have a user manual. It has pictures, tells you how to connect, what this keyboard can do, how to customize it with VIA. Absolutely great. I suggest you give this a read so you can understand what this keyboard can do and how to use it at its max potential. They also have included some spare keycaps if you're using Mac OS. Option and command, because this keyboard is also compatible with Mac OS. We have a charging cable right here, USB type A to USB type C. It feels really solid, very good quality, and you can use it to charge the keyboard or to use the keyboard in wire mode, because this keyboard has a 3-mode connection, which means it's Bluetooth, wired, and wireless with 2.4 gigahertz. We also have a switch and a keycap puller right here, and they included some spare 5-pin switches, the switches that this keyboard comes with. Okay, now let's have a look at the keyboard. I like the design a lot. The keyboard is white, made out of aluminum, very solid design. It has a nice weight to it as well. I like the gray accents and the black accents. It looks really cool. We have a look on the back. We have the rubber feet, obviously, in each corner, with an aluminum plate on the back as well that says AL98. And having a look on the top right here, we can see we have a switch. So you can switch between 2.4 gigahertz wireless, wired, and Bluetooth. Obviously, when you flick a switch, because now it's not on, the RGB will turn on. Right now you can't really see it, but I'll turn off some lights in the next part of the video. And we have the USB Type-C port right here, which is used, as I said, to use the keyboard in wire mode or to charge it, because this keyboard has a battery inside which lasts pretty long. So I think you get about a week of usage if you're using it for office purposes only. So yeah, pretty much that's it. That's what you get inside the box. I am going to go ahead now and set it up, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks next to your setup. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so this is how the keyboard looks like next to your setup. Obviously it matches my white desk, my white mouse, my white Stream Deck. I really love the whole aspect of it, especially, as I said before, I really like the black and gray keycaps. It really makes it stand out. and I have turned off some lights so you guys can see the RGB. You can increase or decrease the RGB, by the way, if you press arrow down and arrow up. Arrow up, obviously, it's to the max. If you check the manual, it will tell you how to change the RGB as well to different color patterns or solid colors as well. And the keyboard is super responsive. I just absolutely love how this keyboard sounds. It's probably one of the best sounding keyboards I ever tested. So let me get close to the keyboard and I'll press some keys so you guys can hear how it sounds. Yeah, those switches are absolutely amazing, and obviously they have foam inside, aluminum. It really works. It's absolutely amazing. And pretty much that's it with the video. If you guys want to buy the keyboard, I will have a link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.